what you have been able to do, to develop, and to accomplish. While all the mentors are here, we will use the moment to have a last-minute check on the work that has been done. I know all of you have been working very hard, and I'm sorry that we are putting you through the ring, and I'm particularly responsible by being forgetful. So let me, before we get started today, and then also plan how we use the day. So let me have a show of hands of all the groups, just to let me know where you are. Okay. So how many of you are already finished everything that you like to do? Everybody's looking at me. Okay. So let me go down the structure that I proposed. Was suggested to you. You don't have to follow it, but except that is a way to structure and organize what you have been able to develop before. Right? So because I realized that you need a little bit of guidance in terms of presentation, especially when you go into many large numbers. Okay, so did you put together your part one, which is the context? The part one is the problem tree. You got that down? More or less? Okay. And the second part is your solution tree. Did you identify, not to do everything that you have on your chart, but at least with your solution tree, you identify 3 key areas that you want to look into. So I saw some nodding heads, but how about here? You did that? Not sure. You did that, okay. And then the third part is to say, okay, once you have done your problem tree, you look at your problem tree and you identify 3 areas that you think are very important, and you did further analysis. Did you do that? Did you do that? You did that? You did, okay. How about here? You did that also? Not sure. And the most important is after all this exercise, why bother? And that's the conclusion. What did you find out about your problem? That's your conclusion. And Raymond was suggesting that let's do 1 page, your conclusion. And that is a good exercise because you have to really, sort of be precise, concrete, and to put out your key messages. Have you been able to do that part? The ones who haven't done it, please raise your hand. Not so sure. Okay. I still don't know how to interpret your silence anymore.
Anxious and tired.
Everybody's tired, yeah. Okay, imagine. And I don't think you have you ever worked as hard as now? People are looking at me and say, you're crazy? Okay. Do you need a little time, say for instance 30 minutes or 40 more minutes to have a final go over with your mentor and advisor?
Yes.
Yes.
Finally, an answer.
Well, in that case, let's start the formal presentation at 10 o'clock. Okay? And so you have a few minutes to meet your mentor. And I think Cecile, she's coming, no? Cecile is who's advisor? She's coming probably a little bit later because she worked with you yesterday, no? So if you need some support, just give me a shout. Okay? So let's do it this way. At 10 o'clock, before that, you should also take a short break. and we will meet and start the presentation of the team project. Is that okay? Yeah. All right. So grab the lady and gentleman behind. And we see you at 10 o'clock here. 都没有气了。加油，最后一口气。So you're free to stay here to work or be outside. So we just see you at 10 o'clock.